Hi, today is Monday the 13th and this is the SPX Outlook for the coming week. We start with the 4-hour chart and we see that last week we finally saw from Wednesday to Friday market finally going down, going into profit taking to reach about 44.50, which is both a second fib and the pivot level. Market this morning is now bouncing off a little bit and we see that probably the test level is around 44.95. What we've seen actually is that last week finally the FANGs, Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Netflix not being such a big one, but it's more to make a bit of a pun with the word FANG. So Netflix and Google being one of those behemoths like Amazon and Apple, taking a little bit of a knock. It tested the strong resistance 56.25 twice, and last time on Friday after the very strong PPI it finally rejected it, and we will see, because I don't have pre-market data here, we will see how it will react at the open. So here we'll look at the 4-hour chart. As here we see that the high volume level is on 4500, so this is probably determining a new trading range 44.50 to 45.50 or so. The market may go further down. We see that we had a new channel forming on the downside within the daily channel. We're going to have a look now at the daily chart. So the market is bouncing off. I do believe the market will try and go lower sometime this week. We have the VIX that finally broke the 1875 to 19 level to aim for 22, and now it's actually retracing a little bit. So we need to see whether the VIX is testing this as a support to go higher again and to let the market fall further. I do believe that overall bull market has gained such strong momentum over the last few months that this is just a normal profit taking in this overall bull run. That being said, if it breaks this upper channel, we may have the market going back to 43.75 or so. So we will see. There's a technical factor with the VIX future, the September VIX future expiring tomorrow night. So this may be just normal profit taking because of hedging. The rollover period is almost coming to an end. So we will see whether on Wednesday the market goes back to normal and bounces back more strongly. There are no major news today. So now let's have a look at the 1-hour chart for today's trend. Here it is. We see that the 45.30 is again a very strong resistance. We've got this upward channel. So as I mentioned in my morning notes on Slack, this is a key level here, 44.90, to possibly go back to 45.30. I think there will be some battle around here, but we cannot underestimate the power of the bull markets still there. So we will see whether this level is holding and we go into this downward channel again with the daily lower boundary here acting as a strong support. So there could be some intense fighting around these levels later today. We've got CPI tomorrow, if I'm not mistaken, and we've got the September, which is a quarterly, so very important expiry on Friday. So there will be still some fighting, but it would be good to see the market finally going into deeper profit take. Very important level is this one, 43.75. This is the one we need to monitor for a possible deep reversal. Okay, that is it for now. As always, more updates on Slack where I can actually detail a few of the technicals here. So if you're not there, I invite you to join the Rhino Slack where you can also ask questions if needed. Thank you for watching and bye for now.